In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Micro E-Mini Nasdaq 100 futures on TradingView. Whether you're stepping into futures trading for the first time or just looking for a new platform, TradingView is a robust choice to consider. It combines intuitive charting tools with the ability to trade directly from the interface, making it easier to keep an eye on the market trends while executing trades. We'll start by navigating to TradingView. Once you're on the platform, the first thing you'll need to do is locate a demo asset. This is a great way to familiarize yourself without financial risk. For this tutorial, we will start by looking at the BTC USD demo asset. Now let's find the Micro E-Mini Nasdaq 100 futures contract. For this, you need to go to the symbol search bar located at the top left of the chart. When you're there, type in the symbol for the Micro E-Mini Nasdaq 100, which is MNQ. As you type MNQ, you will see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you should select the most active contract. Ensure you choose the one with the correct expiration date, for example, MNQ 225. Selecting the right contract is important because it directly affects your trading strategy and how you interpret market data. Once you've selected the contract, your chart will update. It will now display the price information for the specific contract you chose. This update is crucial because you'll be analyzing this price data to make informed trading decisions. Next, let's move on to connecting a broker so you can execute trades directly from TradingView. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the trading panel. Open this panel and you'll see an array of brokerage options. Select Trading Panel, then choose a broker from the list. Tradovate and Interactive Brokers are popular choices. Follow the prompts to log into your brokerage account, ensuring the connection is successful. This is indicated by a green connected icon in the panel. Now let's place a trade. Click the Trade button on the chart to bring up the order window. Here, you can choose from different order types such as market, limit, or stop, and specify the quantity you'd like to trade. It's also the moment to set your stop loss and take profit levels, which are essential for managing your risk and securing potential gains. Once you've filled in all the details, activate the order, and it will be sent to your connected brokerage for execution. And there you have it. You're now ready to trade Micro E-Mini Nasdaq 100 futures on TradingView. Remember, practice on a demo account can be a valuable way to refine your strategies without real-world risks. Happy trading!